Hi there, this is Anup here, and in this video what we are going to see is Microsoft Designer. The waiting is over and I got access to Microsoft Designer, the new design platform which Microsoft released a few months back. So how about looking into it and creating some designs within fraction of seconds or minutes without spending lot of time to design something which you want to share in social media or something like that. I used it for a week or so and it is a good experience for me. I'm a regular user of Canva. Now with Microsoft Designer, it is giving me a different experience. So I'm not going to compare Canva versus Microsoft Designer, etc. because that is not fair, and Microsoft Designer is a different tool altogether in my experience. Why I am saying that? We'll see that in the demo as well as in the presentation. So let's go over and take a look at it. Let's have a quick look into Microsoft Designer in details. Microsoft released a new designing tool called Designer a few months back, and it has options like Copilot. What is Copilot? We will see. And it has all the intelligence integrated into it, and it gives a similar feelings like Clipchamp, and there are some wow factors. We'll look into all of these in this presentation. Don't skip it, and we will have a detailed demo also in this YouTube video. So don't skip it. What is Designer? What is Microsoft Designer? It helps normal people to create stunning designs in a moment. It is not only for normal people who don't have a designer skills, but it is also for experienced designers. So this is the interactive page of Designer, Microsoft Designer. And there are a lot of templates and all the other options like Copilot, etc. Okay, let's move on. What are the key features? From my perspective, key features are from the text input. It can make a design for you, for your social media posts or advertisement campaigns, etc. etc. With just a text input, it will make design for you, and that needs just one click. That was very impressive. And you can directly publish your designs to social media accounts. And you can download MP4 files. You can also generate AI generated images. So these are the key features of Microsoft Designer. Let's go to the next slide. What is Copilot? Designer Copilot. What is it? Microsoft Designer Copilot helps to create designs based on your description. So for example, I just put this text, an Instagram post for employee appreciation on 3rd of March. So today is Employee Appreciation Day, and I wanted to create a social media post or mailing template for this. And with just a click of button, it got all these templates, designs ready for me. All are with employees and all the relevant images, etc. So it is way easy. We'll see more details in the demo as well. Let's go to the next slide. What is Inspire Me? I used it several times. Sometimes inspired me. This Inspire Me button. So for example, it will change the font. It will change the color of the font automatically, depending on your design. So based on design, it will automatically check and change the color and font of your design. That is very useful in my opinion. We'll see more details in the demo for this also. Let's move to the next slide. Another wow factor, another very interesting factor or very useful feature which I have seen in this is you can upload images directly from your phone. So just need to scan the QR code and send the files. The images will appear in your designer page. You can just click a photo from somewhere and you can just create a design within few seconds. It won't even take 1 minute, I would say. Okay, if you want to post that in social media immediately, this feature is very useful. And this designer application is a PWA application similar to Clipchamp. We have a video about Clipchamp. I will link that over here as well, so you can watch that. Then you can understand what are the similarities which I was talking about between Designer and Clipchamp. Maybe the color theme, one of the similarity, it is a vibrant color. Clipchamp and Designer uses a vibrant color in its logos and in its entire design of the applications, etc. Okay, let's go to the next slide. AI generated images. Okay, it is a good starting point. We need this integration into Designer. That is really nice. You can try to create watercolor paintings. I tried to create one for Employee Appreciation Day, and you can see that image itself is fine, but I don't understand why it is coming in a different language, or the language I don't understand. Maybe it's a bug or something, I don't know. Okay, let's move to the next slide. This is the design I created within, I don't know, 2 minutes, I would say. This is an MP4 file and I downloaded it and attached to the presentation. It was very easy to create this design from Designer, Microsoft Designer. I was testing the watermark. You have an option to remove the watermark as well. So now let's go into the demo and check what is it, how is it, and let me know comment section of the video. So it seems wait is over for Microsoft Designer. Okay, so this is something new Microsoft introduced a few months back, and I was in waiting list and I got into the Designer few weeks back. So what does Designer? Create stunning designs in a flash with Microsoft Designer. No design skills needed. And if you have design skills, we are here to help you flex them. You can click on this try Designer and then log in. You will need to sign in with your Microsoft account that I already did. Designer is only available for Mac and PC right now, but we are working on the mobile version soon. Get one-click design suggestions for any idea that you have. Find ideas and inspirations. All these details, right? Create custom images using AI. Let's go into the Designer PWA application which I installed. This is the Designer PWA application which I installed and I have logged into it. Now this is the first page you always get whenever you log in. You can start with some ideas over here. First of all, let's upload some images from my device. Let's add some more images over here. We have selected some images. Let's start designing something. I wanted to create a Twitter post for Intune suite. Let's see how this goes. So let me select this one from my media. Create a Twitter post for Intune suite. Click on generate. It is going to create some designs for me. Okay, I'm going to delete this one and this one. Let's see. It will automatically generate. You don't need to click on generate button. Intune suite. Okay, manage your devices with these. Wow. Automatically created that. I didn't put anything manage devices for Intune. But it automatically create that. That's really nice. Customize. If you want to customize your design, you can do that over here in Intune suite, and you can have different options over here. So you can see Copilot. This is also called Copilot. Okay, let's try this. Manage your devices with Intune. Okay, cool. Interesting. It assumes that these are the devices that would be managed by Intune. Intune suite, yeah, I think it is good. It is nice. Okay, so I'm going to stay with this one, and You can change the text if you want. You can change style if you want. There's a menu over here on the side. Using that, you can change the text. You can change there's a menu over here on the left side, and you can change whatever you want from here. Okay, you can change the template if you want, and you will get different template of options over here. There are decent number of templates available here, so you can use any of these templates. Okay, yes, let me try to replace that. And Control Z works for this also, so click on yes, replace, and see what is happening. Okay, it is giving different options over here. There are few things I tried: templates, copilot, everything, and different fonts, and inspire me how to upload the files, images from the phone with the QR code, etc., etc. So I'm fast forwarding it because it is taking so much of time. So if you want to clearly watch it, pause the video, or make it slow, there's option available in YouTube. You can use that option to slow down the video and watch it. Let's download this. You have an option to download to different formats: PNG, JPG, PDF, send to phone, etc. Watermark. Okay, remove watermark, that's fine. The background transparent, I don't know what does that mean. Okay, click on download to download the file, and it got downloaded. And you can see over here, this is the file which we downloaded, which we created and downloaded. Okay, your design was downloaded. Okay, that's fine. Let's click on make background transparent and download, and see what is the difference. Okay, you can see the difference over here. That's interesting. I like it. I like it. See, over here there's a background that is brownish color. This is the background, right? But over here there's just no background. I don't see any background over here, so I like this actually. Interesting. This is very nice option. I think you can see there are some upcoming holidays: Employee Appreciation Day, World Wild Day, National Dentist Day, all these things are coming up. And today is Employee Appreciation Day. Okay, cool. That's nice. I want to appreciate employees. There are different templates available for that. Okay, I like this. And then I can add graphics or videos, background videos, or etc. etc. Maybe this one. Fast forward this part because it is a lot of configuration, lot of things. You can see the details in the video, and you can see how the mobile screen also looks like when if you want to upload some files, and how to complete the design, how to place the logo in some places, etc. Over here you would be able to see. And we try to generate some AI generated images. Those images are not very good, as I mentioned in the slides as well. It is not creating good value for the content or design now. I have an option to send invite to 3. If you need any invite, let me know. Send feedback. This is the send feedback option over here. Send feedback option over here. And this is the new announcements. Okay, if I click on that, what is new? You can see what is new. Start with your content, etc. New feature, design when you need. That image creation, probably, yeah, it is bit off. Okay, again, I'm fast forwarding this section of the video. This is nothing but I'm creating a new MP4 design for Employee Appreciation Day, that is on March 3rd. I'm going through a lot of things in this designer, Microsoft Designer. You can see on the top and on the left side as well as on the right side where Copilot, etc. You can slow down the video. As you know from the YouTube, there's an option to slow down the video if you want to watch some particular section in details. But overall, it supports GIF formats, it supports videos, it can generate AI powered images, it can use your own images, and then it supports several fonts, several templates are available, several styles are available. So it is very powerful tool, and there are shapes available, icons available, illustrations available for you to use. So it is very powerful, I would say, to make a very professional looking design. So again, if you want to watch this section in detail, slow down the video from YouTube and watch it. Let's download it. And MP4, it is getting downloaded as MP4. That is cool. GIF, where is GIF? Okay, fine. Let's download it and remove the watermark. Let's download it with the watermark, and then let's download without watermark. Okay, it got downloaded. I'm going to play it. Let's keep it aside and then download it again by removing the watermark. It's getting downloaded pretty quick. Let's see how this looks. See, this is without watermark. Okay, it is really cool. I like Designer, Microsoft Designer, and you need to remember that this is under preview. Over here you can see that this is under preview, Designer is under preview, and it is under development, and under development itself within few months you can get all these functionalities. That means it is really nice. Now that you have seen all the details about Microsoft Designer. And as you know, I have 3 invites free. So if you want to have access to Microsoft Designer, let me know. The first 3 persons will get the access or invite from my side. So let's have a quick recap what we have seen. AI generated images need bit more work. Maybe the explanation from my side was not proper, but even the letters over there in the AI generated pictures were not up to the mark, as you have seen. But overall experience, apart from that, overall experience, it is great. It is amazing experience with Microsoft Designer to create a social media post or create a banner for some of the marketing initiatives or some other initiatives. You just need to provide the details in the text, and it will automatically select the template, it will automatically select the images, and it will create advertisement template or banner or a social media post, Instagram post, pictures for you. I feel that is amazing because I don't see that kind of an option in other tools such as Canva, etc. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you all for watching. See you around.